Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare VSCode versus Jupyter Lab. VSCode is a powerful, lightweight code editor designed for general software development, offering a vast ecosystem for various programming languages. Jupyter Lab, on the other hand, is an interactive development environment built around the concept of notebooks, making it ideal for data science, machine learning, and scientific computing. We'll explore their core functionalities and how they cater to different professional needs. VSCode shines with its extensive marketplace, boasting thousands of extensions that enhance functionality for nearly any task, from web development to cloud integration. It provides robust debugging tools, allowing precise control over code execution. Jupyter Lab's strength lies in its interactive notebooks, enabling step-by-step data exploration, visualization, and immediate feedback. It supports multiple kernels, offering flexibility across different programming languages like Python, R, and Julia. Regarding performance, VSCode typically offers a lighter footprint, especially when handling large code bases or simple text editing, often consuming around 200 to 300 megabytes of RAM for basic use. Jupyter Lab, being browser-based and managing active kernels, can demand more resources, potentially using 500 megabytes or more, depending on the complexity of your notebooks and data. Both are optimized, but their resource usage reflects their distinct architectures. Ultimately, your choice depends on your workflow. If you're building full-scale applications, managing large projects, or need advanced debugging, VSCode is likely your go-to. For exploratory data analysis, machine learning model prototyping, or sharing interactive research, Jupyter Lab is unparalleled. Many professionals effectively use both, leveraging VSCode for script development and Jupyter Lab for interactive data exploration, creating a powerful combined toolkit for diverse tasks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.